Welcome to the Cerner Physicians Fair. In this video, we'll discuss how to create your own customized patient list. First thing you do is go to your patient list by clicking on the icon. You'll start off in the message center, so you'll click on this icon. Then next you'll click on the wrench. Then you'll click on New. The first thing we want to create is an automatic list that will populate with any patient that you have a relationship with, whether you're the attending, the admitting, the covering physician, the consulting physician. So I'll click on relationship. There's three elements in here that I want to select anytime I create a list like this. Since this is a relationship list, I'll first want to select the relationship. So if I admit a patient, they'll go to this list. If I am assigned to be the attending physician by registration, that patient will be on my list. If I am the consulting physician, if someone consults me and they put that patient in the system under my name, then that patient will be on my list. The fourth option is covering physician. Now, if I'm covering for another physician and I select that, when I go to access that patient, and I'll have to pick my relationship. So I could pick the covering physician. That would automatically make that patient go to my list. Some doctors don't want that on their list. They'd rather see that patient on their group list. So you can select that or you can not select it. I'm not going to select it for this list. The second thing I want to pick under relationships is the encounter type. I'm going to stick with patients that end up in the emergency room, that are inpatients, observation, or outpatient in a bed. Finally, I only want to see patients who have not been discharged. So I clicked on discharge criteria, only patients that have not been discharged. So once they've discharged and they're out of the hospital, they will fall off my list. Finally, I can change the name. I can say Arrest Auto List and say finished, and I'm done. I can move the list over here, say OK. Once I've done that, I'm populated with a list. Now once I've got my automatic list, I can change the way it's sorted simply by selecting on these tabs or anything else. But there's an icon here that says Customize Columns. I can use that as well. And I have it sorted by location. It sometimes will not automatically sort by location. So if you go into this Customize toolbox, click on the Sort icon here and select Use Custom Sort, select the location, and you can do ascending if you want to start from the second floor and move up, or you can say descending if you'd rather start top and work down. And when you're done, you just save it and you exit. So that's how you make an automatic list in Cerner.